In this video, you'll learn how to change the currency in the Binance app or website. By following these steps, you will be able to select your preferred fiat currency for transactions and balances. Start by opening the Binance app on your mobile device or navigate into the Binance website using your preferred web browser. If you are using the website, make sure you are on the home page where you can see the main navigation menu. Once you are in the app or website, locate your profile icon. On the app, this is usually found in the upper left corner of the screen. If you are on the website, the profile icon is typically in the upper right corner. Click on this icon to access your account settings. After clicking the profile icon, a menu will appear. Look for an option labeled Settings or Preferences and select it. This action will take you to the settings page where various account options are available. Within the settings menu, find the section labeled Preferences. This section may contain several options related to your account. Click on Preferences to proceed to the next step. In the Preferences section, you will see an option for Display Currency. Click on this option to reveal a list of available fiat currencies. Browse through the list and select your preferred currency. This selection will determine how your balances and transactions are displayed. After selecting your desired currency, look for a button that says Save or Confirm. Clicking this button will finalize your selection. Once confirmed, your dashboard will update automatically to reflect the new currency. This update may take a moment, so be patient as the changes are applied. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.